Hey guys, here's the Proto X nano drone that I won from Skipper Drones on his giveaway. Thank you very much, Skipper. Very awesome, brother. Appreciate it very much. He shipped it out right away. I mean, I had it within a few days. I've been flying the crap out of it inside. Flies very well. I gotta do the little trick to keep the props on, because the props want to fly off all the time. They didn't at first, but after they come off once, it seems like they want to pop off all the time. So I think with these, I'm going to try pop a prop off, stick some fish line in the hole, and then pop the prop back off. Use like 1 pound, 2 pound ice fishing line. I think I'm going to try that, or maybe even a piece of thread. I'm not going to sand the shaft on this one. There ain't going to be no glue on there. I'm not doing all that junk. Oh, I know I used paper in the past. Paper works well. Put a little piece of paper over the shaft, pop that back on, it works great. But yeah, so, I mean, there's a quarter. That's the size of that quad. It comes with a little USB charger, a spare set of props, of course a controller. Controller feels pretty good in your hands. I mean, for such a little guy, controller, it actually don't feel too bad. I don't have any problems flying it. It's very fast. It's got 3 rates. Rates 1 and 2 are manageable in the house, but you put it in rates 3, it's too fast for in the house, in my opinion. And you know me, I fly some stuff in my house, man. I fly my race quad in the house. So, but this thing will get out of hand in a real hurry in the house at rates 3. They need to make nano cameras for these. They make a little nano camera so we can FPV these. But anyways, Bob Biker 46, I gotta get out of here. See ya.